2. So in this case, the example number 2, so we are going to factorize. So here factorize 8x cube minus 60x square plus 150x minus 125. Then now the solution starts. So here in our solution, the given expression is of 8x cube minus 60x square plus 150x minus 125. So here this is the given polynomial. So here we have to factorize the given polynomial by utilizing the special product. Now here we can write it as, so here 8x whole cube can be written as, 8 can be splitted as 2 into 2 into 2. So here 8 equals to 2 into 2 into 2, so equals to 2 to the size of 4, 4 to the size of 8. So we can write it as 2 cube. So here therefore 8 has 2 cube, and similarly, so here the last term, that is 125. So 125 can be written as, so 125 is splitted as 5 into 5 is of 25, 25 5 is of 125. So here 125 is equals to 5 into 5 into 5. 5 repeatedly multiplied, so it will be the base. 3 times it is multiplied, so it will be the exponent. Therefore 125 can be written as 5 to the power of 3. So here therefore 8 can be written as 2 cube, and here 125 can be written as 5 cube. So here first of all I want to express, so 8 as 2 cube into x cube as it is, minus 60x square written as it is, plus 150x minus 125 can be written as 5 cube. So here that implies, so square, here the exponent is similar, it is, say here it is similar to a to the power of m into a to the power of n, so a to the power of m into b to the power of m, so it can be written as ab whole to the power of m. So I am utilizing this identity, that is ab whole to the power of m as a power m into b to the power of m. So here the exponents are similar for the different bases. So exponents are similar for different bases. It can be written as the product of the different bases and the similar exponent. So here 2x must be written as 2x as the base, whole to the power of similar exponent. So here m and m, so we can write it as whole to the power of m, that is whole to the power of 3 as the similar base, minus 60x square. Here I have utilized the reason, that is ab whole to the power of m equals to a power m into b power m. Then now plus 150x minus, so 5 cube written as 5 to the power of 3. So here I utilized, in order to get 2x whole cube, I utilized ab whole to the power of m equals to a to the power of m into b to the power of m. Then now let us assume, so here 2x as a. So here let us assume 2x as a, and let us assume 5 as b. Now it is in the form of a cube and here minus b cube. So middle terms will be of minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So here it is similar to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, that is the a minus b whole cube formula. So here we can apply this identity, that is a minus b whole cube identity. So here a minus b whole cube equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus 3ab square minus b cube, that equals to a minus b whole cube. So here we can utilize this identity or the special product in order to simplify, that is 2x whole cube minus 60x square plus 150x minus 5 cube. But here we have utilized, so already we have assumed as a 2x as a, that is in the form of a cube. So here a must be replaced by means of 2x. So here at, or by comparing, at a equals to 2x, and here I assumed b as 5, so here b equals to 5. Then now let us substitute. So here I am going to substitute a value as 2x and b value as 5 in the special product, that is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube equals to a minus b whole cube. A as 2x whole to the power of 3 minus 3 into a square, a value as 2x whole to the power of, the exponent is of 2 into b is of 5 plus 3 into a is of 2x into b square. So b value is of 5 whole to the power of 2 minus b cube. So b is of 5 whole to the power of 3 equals to a minus b. So a value is of 2x minus b value is of 5 but whole raised to the power of 3. Further simplification we will be getting that implies 2x whole cube. 2x whole cube is nothing but 2 cube x cube equals to 8x cube. So here it can be written as 8x cube. So now minus 3 into square is applicable for both 2 and x. So here 2 square. So we can write it as 2 square and as well as x square. Here I utilize ab whole power m. So ab whole power m is equals to a power m into b power m. So here 2 power 2 into x power 2 into 5 written as it is. So plus 3 into 2x written as it is. Then now 5 square. 5 is repeatedly multiplied twice. 5 5s are 25 minus 5 cube. So 5 cube value is of 125. So now, so here we can get these values. So here equals to a is of 2x minus b is of 5 whole to the power of 3. So that is equals to 2x minus 5 whole to the power of 3. So a is of 2x, then now b is of 5. So it can be written as 2x minus 5 whole cube. So here right hand side is copied as it is. So that implies 8x cube minus 3 into 2 square value is of 4 into x square written as it is into 5 plus 3 2s is of 25 2s is of 50. So 25 2s is of 50, 53 is of 150, then x minus 125 is equals to 2x minus 5 whole cube. So that implies 8x cube, 5 4s is of 20, 23 is of 60, that is minus 60 x square plus 150 x minus 125 is equals to 2x minus 5 whole cube. So in this manner I say here 8x cube minus 60x square plus 150x minus 125 is equals to 2x minus 5 whole cube, or in other words it can be written as 2x minus 5 is repeatedly multiplied thrice. So 2x minus 5 into 2x minus 5 into 2x minus 5. So these are the factors of this given expression or the given polynomial 8x cube minus 60x square plus 150x minus 125. So here hence two x minus 5 whole cube are the factors of 8x cube minus 60x square plus 150x minus 125. So in the similar manner, let us perform one more example, that is example number 3. In the example number 3, let us factorize. Let us factorize x cube minus y cube minus z cube minus 3xyz. So here we have to factorize the expression or the polynomial which is x cube minus y cube minus z cube minus 3xyz. So here in this case this is the given polynomial. Then now in order to factorize the given polynomial which is x cube minus y cube minus z cube minus 3xyz, so here we can utilize this special product, that is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc as a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So I am going to utilize this identity or this special product in order to factorize x cube minus y cube minus z cube minus 3xyz. So here I want to write the special product as a cube minus b plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equals to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus BC minus CA. These two are the factors of the polynomial a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. We are going to utilize this special product in order to simplify or in order to factorize the given. So now the given one is off, so that implies, so here x cube minus y cube minus z cube minus 3xyz. It can also be written as, so here we need a cube plus b cube plus c cube. So here I want to what I say write. So here x cube as it is, so a cube is of positive, so x cube is also of positive. So no need to change the sign here, whereas here I need plus sign. So I want to write plus, but inside the bracket I want to write as minus y whole to the power of 3. So here when minus is repeatedly multiplied thrice, since 3 is an odd number, we will get negative itself. So minus into plus is of minus again. So now similarly, I want to write plus, I need plus c cube. So here instead of minus z cube, I wrote here plus sign, but inside the bracket I want to write z as the minus z, but repeatedly multiplied thrice. So when minus is repeatedly multiplied thrice, so that is, I mean, minus of minus is plus and plus is minus of minus. So minus will be multiplied with plus so as to get this minus sign. Or, so here minus z whole cube, 3 is an odd number, so minus remains minus. So minus into plus is of minus, we will get z cube as it is. Then now minus 3xyz. Then now, by comparing, so here by comparing, we get, I say here a as, so here a must be substituted as x, so here a equals to x plus, here also plus is there, so b must be b cube as minus y whole cube, so here b must be substituted as minus y, b is equals to minus y. Then now here plus c cube, so plus minus z whole cube, so here c equals to minus z. So here in this manner we have to substitute so as to get the result. So here that is equals to a plus b plus c. So these are the two factors. So a value is of x plus, so b is of minus y within bracket plus c is of minus z within bracket, square bracket close. Then now here opens, then now a square. So here a value is of x whole square plus b is of minus y whole square plus c is of minus z whole square minus ab. So minus a is of x into b is of minus y minus bc minus b is of minus y into c is of minus z minus ca minus c is of minus z into a is of x, then square bracket close. Then now that implies x plus of minus is of minus, y written as it is, plus of minus is of minus, z written as it is. Then square bracket opens, so x square, so here minus sign is repeatedly multiplied twice, minus of minus is plus, so plus of plus will be plus, so here just y square. Since exponent is of an even number, 2 is an even, so you will get, I say, minus sign as plus sign, or in other words minus into minus is of plus, plus into plus will be plus y square. Similarly here also, so minus repeatedly multiplied 2 times, minus of minus is plus into plus is plus, z square written as it is. Minus into minus is of plus xy, minus into minus is plus into minus is minus, y into z is yz, then whereas here minus of minus is plus zx. So in this manner, so we got x cube plus of minus y cube plus of minus z cube can be written as x cube minus y cube minus z cube minus 3xyz is equals to x minus y minus z into x square plus y square plus z square plus xy minus yz plus zx. Whereas in this, so these two brackets are the factors of the given. So here hence, therefore x minus y minus z and x square plus y square plus z square plus xy minus yz plus zx are the factors of given polynomial, that is x cube minus y cube minus z cube minus 3xyz.